Hey guys, Alex here. Today I'm going to show you how to do a professional looking low skin fade comb over with a hard part. So the first step is to section the hair out of the way. So I'm going to start by spraying some water in the hair. It just helps comb the hair out of the way that I don't want to cut. And I'm going to use my Babyliss trimmers to create the first guideline, being careful not to take the line too high so that it doesn't turn into a medium or high fade. Using the Babyliss shavers, I'm going to bald out the area just under the first line that I created with the trimmers. Once that step is done, I'm going to switch to the Gamma clippers with the clipper lever fully open to create the next guideline, only taking it up about half an inch to an inch. So now I'm going to close the clipper lever halfway and begin blending down. Once I've done that step all the way around the head, I'm going to close the clipper lever one more notch and begin blending down under the previous section. So now I'm going to close the clipper lever all the way, and because my blades are set pretty close, this should erase most of the first guideline that I created with the trimmers, and I'm going to just start using the corners of the blade to help erase the lines without creating a new one. Using the number 1 guard, I'm going to open the clipper lever all the way and create my next guideline all the way around the head, and then I'm going to close the lever and fade just underneath that line using my brush to keep the area clean. Using the half guard, I'm going to start erasing the line at the bottom by using the corners and opening and closing the lever as needed. Now I'm going to switch to my number 2 guard and create the next guideline with the clipper lever fully closed. Using the 1.5 guard, I'm going to work on erasing the line that was left between the number 1 and the number 2 guard. Now I'm going to switch back to my number 1 guard and erase the rest of the line that was left over. Using the clipper comb, I'm going to help remove some of the bulk on the sides, which is going to help blend the length into the top. Now I'm going to start using different guards, in this case a number 3, to help clean up the blend, because the clipper comb is just good for removing bulk, and now I'm going to go back underneath to make sure I didn't miss any hairs. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, please give it a like, it really helps out the channel a lot. Using the number 5 guard, we're going to take down the length of the beard and hand the client the mirror to make sure he's happy with the length before we blend in the sides. To blend in the beard, I'm actually going to do the opposite of what I did with the fade, where I'm starting with the clipper lever open and I'm putting the guards on as I work my way down. Using the tapered comb and the trimmer, I'm going to take down the length of the client's mustache and get it off his top lip. And now I'm going to line up the rest of the beard, starting with the jaw. And now I'm going to lean the chair back to make sure my client's comfortable while I line up the bottom of the beard. Now it's time to give the client his hard part, sitting the client back up and wetting his hair so I can comb it out of the way. I'm going to find his part and put a light part in there with the trimmers. And now I'm going to put a hot towel on the back of the client's neck, which is going to help make for a smoother shave. Using hot lather from the lather machine, we'll apply the lather to the client's neck and shave his neck using the straight razor. After the client is leaned back again, I'm going to apply some shave gel and another hot towel to help soften the hair. Now I'm just going to line up the beard using the straight razor, being careful to make sure I stretch the skin the whole time. So now I'm going to hand the client back the mirror so he can check out the cut and make sure he's happy with it. I'm just going to apply a small amount of pomade to his hair to help style it and comb it into place. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want to see more barber tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video.